Hello everyone, my name is Robert Wilmas, and this is the last topic of Unit 3, Practicum Speech, for Corporaciones de Tarea Caribe, extended to José González, my teacher. Program is Licencia en Inglés. So, I work at British School of Monteria as a teacher for 5th and 10th and 11th grade. And for this last part, I'm doing this speech by presenting the project during this semester in 2020. I participated teaching in 5th grade English, a group of 22 students in the British school. The British school has only one grade per group, so I know them since I was in 1st grade. So they're a bunch of kids that handle the English language very well. They can speak, write, listen, and read English, not as a, let's say, not as a, let's say, C2 person, or but they're proficient in the language. Any questions that they can ask me, I am willing to answer for this project. I have no problems. And these are some pictures of the school and the kids. So that's myself, information. So I just wanted to know this and let you know this because for this last part I didn't know what to do. So pardon me if I do this way. And I appreciate everything that you have done for me. Thank you to my teacher, Mr. Henry. Thank you very much. And I'll see you